महामना ने कहा था, शिक्षा का उद्देश्य केवल आजीविका नहीं, चरित्र निर्माण होना चाहिए। और अब मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी अनन्या सेन को, जो त्रिपुरा से आज हमारे बीच आई हैं, पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी पर अंग्रेजी भाषा में अपना वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करेंगी। जोरदार तालियां। त्रिपुरा से हमारे बीच आई अनन्या सेन।
Imagine, you're a young child walking the streets, going back to your home. Your mom is waiting for you. Your dad will be bringing sweets. You should be happy, right? Smiling. But then you hear a gunshot. You look to your left and you see your friend getting cruelly beaten by the soldiers. His dad is getting arrested and his mom in shackles. And all you can do is keep mum. You walk back home and hug your mom and ask the universe, which never seems to answer, when will I be free? When will this end? Look around you. You see desks, chairs, and textbooks. But I want you to imagine a different world. A reality where your textbook is a contraband, your free thought is a criminal act, and your life is dictated by the fear of a midnight knock at the door. Open your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here because one man refused to let that fear define their generation. We are here to talk about a fire, the fire of Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji. Rise and shine, the people of India. This is Ananya Sen, a student of grade 11, proudly standing here, not just as a person, but as a testament to the resilient spirit of the people of the nation. A staunch nationalist, journalist, statesman, lawyer, educationist, and a learned scholar of the Indian culture, Mahamana Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji stands as a colossal figure of the history of the nation. At the peak of his career, he took the stern decision of giving up his lucrative legal practice to solemnly dedicate himself to the selfless service of the nation and to the cause of education. His vision wasn't merely fixed on the daunting challenges of the country, but the other was already mapping the architect's blueprint for a splendid sovereign future. Being the fourth president of the Indian National Congress and a fighter for women's education, a true reformer of his time, he tore down the chains of indentured labor, a noble successor to abolition. His commitment secured the Ganga's flow and brought Devnagari to our courts. Expelled for challenging the orthodoxy, he found the Hindu Mahasabha and birthed the great one and only Banaras Hindu University, perfectly blending modern science with cultural integrity. His legacy is the truth that triumphs. Satyamev Jayate, a call to serve, unite, and build a brighter India. When the tragedy of Chauri Chaura hit, he was the only man, the lawyer who saved 156 patriots sentenced to death on his cell, arrested, offered a deal to sign the confession and walk out free. But the lion didn't let his kingdom down. Ask yourself right now, are you free? Do not simply assume the answer to be yes, because these young men have taught us that freedom is not a gift, but a battle you must constantly fight for. A battle for who they demand we become, and we surely are not letting them down. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
बहुत खूब अनन्या।